Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the History IAS optional coaching? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you the 3 best platforms for the UPSC optional subject of history, and will also give you the full details regarding all the 3 platforms. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. So friends, the best coaching for this IAS optional is Plutus IAS coaching. Plutus IAS coaching classes is the destination for the student preparing for UPSC and especially this optional subject. It ensures optimum utilization of resources and energy of students in the direction of success. It has been evident from the 20+ years of experience in teaching that they provide learning strategies to the student by the teaching techniques in order to ensure the best outcome for the students. Moreover, they have been providing education through online as well as offline mode to build a reputation in the field of coachings of the country. Alright, now let's move to the learning environment of this institution. The coaching institute has designed a unique teaching facility to the students in order to enhance their productivity and allow an increment in their existing knowledge and capabilities. Meaning, it provides an overall teaching session related to all relevant topics of the subject. Further, it has an efficient learning environment to induce them towards studies and helps to reduce the confusion among them related to the preparation for examination. They also have various features like online classes, offline classroom facility which has just begun, interactive sessions, doubt clearing sessions, and current affairs classes as well apart from your core classes. Alright friends, after I told you about the best IAS coaching institute for this, now let me move on to the second thing, which was a guidance platform. Friends, this is the Hindu Zone coaching platform. Friends, the Hindu Zone is a guidance platform and not exactly the coaching platform. However, the Hindu Zone also sells video and of different coachings, and the Hindu Zone is added in this list as because different IAS officers, IITs and every doctors have been mentoring students of the preparation from this platform only. Now, the Hindu Zone guides students for best causes, best series, coachings as per the requirement of the students, and they also give you a completely free of cost counseling session. The website is www.thehinduzone.com, which focuses on guiding students for their respective courses and coachings as per their requirement. Hence, it may necessarily not be a good coaching, excellent coaching institute in your respective field, but it provides platform for you to connect to the institutions which provide best coaching of this subject, and hence you should definitely go ahead and try, because one, it gives you completely free of cost counseling session, and as well secondly, they also connects to you with the best mentors you can ever receive for the respective subjects you want to learn. So the next thing for your self-study and your help is Online Khan Market. The website is www.onlinekhanmarket.com. Friends, Online Khan Market is the platform from where you can get a soft copy of any study materials for your preparation of any subject you want to. Now, you don't need to visit the market for your preparation, because sometimes it happens that you don't get veterinary science books and all those stuffs happen when you are preparing for the examination. But now with Online Khan Market, you don't have to worry about market hassles and all the other things. You can simply go to the website and get a soft copy of any books you desire. Hence, you can simply sit at your home and can get your study material in your hands at a very cheap price as compared to other market prices. And hence, I highly recommend you to go ahead and try Online Khan Market once for sure. So friends, these were our 3 platforms for History IAS optional: the Plutus IAS Best IAS Coaching, second the Hindu Zone Guidance platform, and third is the website www.onlinekhanmarket.com. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all the 3 platforms. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you don't miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.